Why must I have to choose?
I like that. Why choose when you can do it all? Girl power at its best. Therefore, who listens to you more?
Seth. Yeah. Right now, none of the boys are listening to me. I'm just trying to get their attention. Yelling at them.
How many years did it take you to make sure Seth listens to you?
Right now, between the two boys and him, I think he's listening just because the other two are so naughty.
I always believe naughtiness is next to godliness too, yeah.
If you insist.
Okay, Karina or Seth, the stricter parent.
I think the mothers always try to discipline their children. Like, eat this, do this, wake up in the morning, look, do this. And the fathers are always like more chill and like, let him stay up and watch TV. And I'm like, no screen time. So, things like that. I'm the one who's always...
I can relate to that. My wife's gone with her lady friends to Bali to party. And I've told my daughters we were staying up tonight late for a movie night.
Yeah, movie night on weeknight should be allowed.
High five on that, come on. Alright, if Karina could change her one parenting skill or style which you feel I could change it or re-change that parenting style, what would that be?
I think I should be a little more patient. I have to learn that because sometimes, you also just get so riled up that, you're like, I think most of the time I keep saying that no, I have to learn to be a little more patient, and not be so strict. It's 9:05 and you have to be in bed at 9 o'clock and, things like that. So I want to kind of maybe be a little more patient with myself also. And then,
if you had to go to any person around you for parenting advice, who would that be?
now I know I can come to you also. You offered me advice, so I think I'll come to you.
Okay, I hope those advices don't bounce back hard on you. Alright, one piece of diamond jewelry you have gifted Seth. Or what to gift you?
I mean, I've gifted him the really beautiful buttons, diamond buttons and stuff like that. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if he's I've gifted him something like jewelry. I think what a guy is more into, I think he likes his gala buttons, so I gifted him that for sure.
Can anyone help Karina pick up something beautiful for her husband as well? Are there volunteers and friends who can guide us?
Gifts only.
Gifts only. Paul, you were putting up your hand and you dropped it down. Alright. Janiman, Jani Jan ki mummy Karina ya Ravan ki mummy Karina. Which one do you prefer?
I think Janija, especially because it was really different, because I feel the way it was shot, the thriller it was, the approach to the way it was made was different. So for me, I would say Janija.
For me, it's Karina all across. Give it up for Karina Kapoor Khan. Please stand up, Karina, because we've got a few friends of ours who want to felicitate you as well. Louder for her, please. Come on, everybody. Now, may I call upon stage Mr. Vipul Shah, Chairman GJEPC, Kiran Bansali, Vice Chairman GJEPC, Milan Choksi, Convener Promotions and Marketing GJEPC, to felicitate Karina Kapoor Khan. Mr. Shah has promised 40 days in Lakshadweep to the table from his personal account that claps the loudest. Mr. Shah का personal gift है सबके लिए. Now may I also call on stage my best friend for the evening, Mr. Paul Rowley, Executive Vice President, Diamond Trading Divyas Group, Mr. Sachin Jain, Regional CEO, India World Council, Mr. Sriram Natarajan, Managing Director, GI India, and Mr. Sabyasachi Reini, GJEPC, for a photo op as well. This is going to be that epic photo op. Mr. Ray, kaise aap? Always a ray of hope when I get to see you as well. Give it up for the Bahubalis of our business, ladies and gentlemen. Listen, my mother says if people don't clap in the audience, it means you're not working. At least for my mama clap, alright? There you go. Now can I request our partners to take their seats? Only the partners. Thank you so much to our beloved partners. Now on stage, GJEPC COA members for the photo op. Give it up for the GJEPC COA members for the photo op, looking dashing as always. And may I also call on stage the king of holdings, Yogesh Lakhani, MD Bright Outdoor, for the photo op as well. Give it up for Mr. Yogesh Lakhani, ladies and gentlemen. He's also known as the most good-looking man behind the holdings. He's been voted as the sexiest holding provider. These are happy occasions. You're allowed to clap. This is an epic photo op, ladies and gentlemen. Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan with all of them, thank you so much. Thank you to everybody on stage. You've been fabulous. Thank you so much. Can I request all our dignitaries to take their seats? Thank you so much to all our dignitaries. Thank you, Yogesh. Please come here. You always... Oh, thank you. My wife is very possessive about me. Thank you. He always looks like a bachelor, but he's not. Thank you so much, sir. I request all of you to take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, if there's a lady who speaks from the heart, who's raw, real, and owns what she does, not only as an actress but as a human being, it has to be Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Please give it up for her, ladies and gentlemen, loud and clear. Thank you, Kareena, for joining us. One thing you'd like to tell them before you leave us and go, but you live in our hearts anyways.
Thank you so much for having me here today, and I think it was a really fun chat. And thank you so much for, doing the charitable work that you're doing through, your different works that you're doing. And diamonds are, I think, a girl's best friend, but I think diamonds can also be the world's best friends and little children's best friends. And thank you for helping in that way. Thank you.
And besides that, Kareena, like Kareena says, gifts that she can give for her husband, Saif. Gifts being the great word. You're welcome to give her gifts. And Paul, can you please stand up? Paul, do not look down. I know Paul will give you that gift. Love you, Paul, for being big-hearted. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kareena. Thank you so much. Give it up for Mrs. Kareena Kapoor Khan, ladies and gentlemen. Wow! Doston, louder for her, please. Woman of substance, girl power. I am Siddharth Khan, and I was so proud to be in conversation with the lady who shines through every role that she's given with as a mother, family woman, entrepreneur, and even as a person who represents UNICEF in India as well. Dosto, the funds raised by industry this year will be donated to 2 NGOs. The first one is Mian Charitable Trust, which is committed to the social upliftment of tribal, rural, and urban populations across India. Can I request the team to have the audio visual, please?
मियां चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट का संसार मानवता, संस्कृति और संस्कार का है। भूख सबको लगती है, दर्द सबको होता है। इस सोच पर हम मानवता और जानवर दोनों पर काम कर रहे हैं और यही सोच लेकर महाराष्ट्र के नासिक जिला में स्थित वाघेरा गांव, जो महाराष्ट्र और गुजरात राज्य के बॉर्डर पर स्थित है, और ये एक आदिवासी बहुल क्षेत्र है जहाँ बच्चों के पास सब कुछ तो है, परंतु उन्हें पूरा करने की साधन सुविधाएं नहीं है। और यही सोच से प्रेरित होकर मियां चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट के द्वारा वाघेरा क्षेत्र में स्थित बच्चों के लिए कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स और पुलिस भर्ती जैसे अन्य और सरकारी भर्तियों के लिए मियां चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट द्वारा फिल्म टीचिंग सेंटर और लाइब्रेरी एवं फिजिकल ट्रेनिंग और उनकी शिक्षा की जिम्मेदारी उठाई है। और 30 से अधिक बच्चे पुलिस भर्ती में शामिल हुए हैं। ये एक कहानी है कामयाबी की, ये एक कहानी है मियां के कर्तव्य की जो जगह जगह बदलाव ला रहा